a sacred prophetic day. Today is April 25, 2025, Easter Friday. And well, everybody knows it's the Eid of our beloved prophetic Pope Francis. And I have a history to tell about him when I was in Rome and even now. So, today, I would like to share with you the good news, my compatriots are over the world, that God is faithful in all His promises. And Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus keeps telling me that persevere in your faith. Do not give up on anyone, just like our beloved prophetic Pope Francis. To be all to all. So, may I present to you today these two. My God, this is wonderful. This is our beloved national global hero, Dr. J. Rizal. You will say something about him, huh? Very pleased. And then, at the right is the famous Bonifacio Ilagan, who will be our film director in a project, in a documentary, and my inheritor, my successor. This is Dean Jimner. My God, I cannot forget him because once in the College of Arts and Letters, subject, he really asked me, who will succeed you in your advocacy in your project? Well, to my counterparts, to our network, national global, I present to you the beloved Dean. And let him speak because I want him to explain about this.
Okay, this is Jose Rizal, made by Tata Conilas from Talim Island. Nung bata-bata pa si Rizal, nakarating na siya sa Talim Island sa Laguna de Bai, no? At tinawag niya itong Isla de Diablo. No? Pero ngayon ay maraming mga artista ng bayan na nandoon, no? Sa isla ng Talim. No? Na lumilikha, no? Ng kasaysayan sa pamamagitan ng kanilang kamay, no? So, at isa si Tata Conilas na lumikha.
And you see,
Gustong ito.
this is Bonifacio Ilagan. The two of them here, for me, he represents the Andres Bonifacio. We work together up to my in Cavite, di ba? So, Katipunan, Andres Bonifacio, and Dean. And now, I have a book, and the cover, I have the three, Dr. Rizal, Dr. Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, and President Emilio Aguinaldo. I bring them together. And so now, and the book is entitled, Rizal and the Katipunan Pilgrimage for Sacred Prophetic Politics in the Philippines for the world. Now, I will not tell anymore because that will be the basis of our documentary of a story to tell. So we did. He said something Boniface. You know, I discovered him during the wake of our beloved UP System President Francisco Numenso.
Well, si Professor Laras has told me about the project. Wala pa po akong alam. Pero paano nyo naman tatanggihan si Con Laras? Siyempre,
I love to hear
napakauna.
that.
So kung ano man ito, palagay ko ito para sa isang mabuting layunin.
So we have a covenant. Our Dr. Rizal will guide us. Our heroes, Bonifacio, and of course, our ancestors, saints and heroes. Thank you very much. Thank you for all the graces and blessings of today. Amen.
Amen!
Okay.
Hindi ko muna